Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Stop dragging your feet. Come on. If I said that to you right now, would you understand what I mean?
Are we actually dragging our feet on the floor, or is it something else?
Exactly. And don't worry, you're not alone.
Because today, we're going to learn 10 common everyday English phrases that native speakers use all the time, especially when talking about chores.
Plus, 2 bonus expressions at the end that will make you sound very natural.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's learn English the easy way.
Welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the place where learning English feels calm, friendly, and possible.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Ava. And today, we're talking about everyday English for real life.
So, Ava, quick question.
Hmm?
What are chores exactly?
Good question. Chores are the small jobs we do every day to keep our house clean, organized, and livable.
Necessary, but not always fun.
Exactly. But since we all do them, we should know how to talk about them in English. The first phrase is make the bed.
Ah, yes, parents love this one.
After I wake up, I try to make the bed. Not always, but when I do, my room feels calmer.
It's like saying, okay, the day has started.
Do you make your bed every day? Tell us later in the comments.
The second phrase is very simple. Get dressed.
Every morning, we choose clothes and then we get dressed.
But sometimes, if your clothes are dirty,
You don't have many choices. Next phrase, pack a lunch.
this means preparing your food before school or work.
In many places, people pack lunch to save money and time.
Just like pack a suitcase, but smaller and tastier. Okay, this one sounds funny.
Yes, throw clothes in the washer.
We're not throwing them like a ball.
It just means doing it quickly without thinking too much.
After washing, we move the clothes to the dryer.
And if you forget,
They can smell bad, so don't forget.
now comes the part nobody likes.
Folding.
Fold and put away the clothes.
Notice how we say clothes. It sounds like close.
One of my favorite phrases, tidy up.
This means putting things back where they belong.
Not deep cleaning, just organizing.
Books, toys, bags, everyone can help.
Next phrase, do the dishes.
We don't usually say wash the dishes.
We say, do the dishes. If you have one, you load the dishwasher.
Simple, but very useful.
Now, back to our first phrase.
Drag your feet.
This means delaying, procrastinating, not wanting to start.
We all do it.
Bonus phrase number 1, pitch in.
It means helping, working together.
When everyone pitches in, chores feel easier.
Last one, pull your own weight.
It means doing your fair share.
Not more, not less, just fair.
Great job! You just learned 10 everyday English phrases.
Plus 2 bonus expressions that native speakers really use.
Now your turn.
Does everyone in your house pitch in?
Or is someone dragging their feet?
Thank you for learning with us.
Here at Speak English with Ease.
Speak slowly, practice daily.
And, most importantly, be kind to yourself.
See you in the next episode. Bye.